Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing very well today. Today's video is going to be about the unboxing and styling Zara. It's going to be for you and for me surprise what is inside, how to style this clothes that I have chosen more than a week ago. So let's get started with this unboxing. You will see that it's quite big box. I am not sure what I place an order. What is that? These white dresses. I placed an order for the medium, and the other was large size. Then this blue shirt, beautiful with this trim around the neckline and at the bottom of the sleeves. This nice blue waistcoat. What is the size? Medium. We will see, because with Zara I am not sure which size. It's depending on the fabric and the style. And this beautiful red color is like mixture of the jumper and sweater, something. But I like the color. And what is that? This is mini skirt, medium size, but I see it's very small. I guessing I can't even probably styling. Maybe we will see. But this beautiful pattern. This Zara collection dress, size medium. Size medium. I like it. And the jumper, but what? Oh my god, it's large size. You will see it's large size, but wow, how small it is. And the last one, pencil skirt, but it's so long, medium size. And they sent me in separate order this beautiful cardigan. This size, I have to order small because other sizes were not available, but I guessing it's going to be fine. This size blouse, this is size medium. I will see how they look. Going to focus on the styling part of this video. I will have probably definitely fun styling. It's a lot of clothes, and I'm going to use my endless imagination, and we will see how they look. Hopefully the sizes are correct, and I will let you know in the comments like if they are right size or if they are smaller. And thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely time, and I hope you will enjoy this part of the styling, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.